some people who like literally put anything for sale. Why? Because they can't afford the basic needs, okay? They can't afford that. They put anything for sale, which includes children. A lot of the times, they sell children to the sex trade. Now, is that right? Well, for a lot of people, it isn't right. Get that? Look, gotta realize what happens to children in the sex trade. Sometimes they can get abused or even die. Not good, man. We gotta do something about it. Literally, do something. Do we really want to see more children in the sex trade? No way, man. Because it's bad